Hi guys and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna talk about SharpDevelop, which is an IDE for C#. It can also be used for Visual Basic.net, but that's a topic for another video. So it's a Neste project. Actually is dead now. The project was discontinued, but I still use it though. You guys can see here I'm gonna save some on the info. I'm gonna create a new solution. It supports .NET Framework 4.5, which is awesome actually. So you guys can see here we have some of the frameworks and 4.5.1, which supports async await, which is a great feature. But I'm gonna talk about especially about the project. I'm gonna search a thread here, GitHub. That project. Let me just search quickly here, guys, to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. First, project program. So the project it's okay. So I see that there's a lot of threads here. So I just searched quickly SharpDevelop GitHub.project. And you guys can see that we have SharpDevelop tab. There is the project dad. Let me see. Okay, see also there's here the community web is a bit different. Okay, there's a lot of information over there. But you guys can take what you guys can take from this that the project's not more active, so you will have to use this version if you want to. I'm using the version 4.4, I think. Let me see. Yeah, the version 4.4. The version 5.1 or 5.0 has a bug that it's not cool, but this version is awesome. I'm gonna show you guys what exactly I mean by that. So you guys can see that it has nice API, nice interface, and if you look at here, you guys can see design. So the source code and design are split in this way in two tabs. So here I could do the usual stuff that you usually do when creating Windows Forms applications. Over here we have the references. You guys can see, okay. The main form, if you look at properties, let me see, if we click in properties, I'm gonna see the properties of the form, which I could change. For instance, let's just change the back color to a black or a orange red. You guys can see that it's very easy to do this. It's quite unfortunate that the project's not longer active. So also I'm going to show you guys another things. So if you guys look over here, you guys can see that we have other languages such as C++. Okay, we have two types of C++: F#, Python, which is interesting. I think this is the most interesting thing on SharpDevelop is this. I'm going to show you guys, for example, a Windows application, PyForm. Let's call that, and I'm going to create a Python equivalent of a. So you guys can see, it's very interesting. We have this form here. We have the declaration. So if you, for example, drag let's click in tools, let's add a button here. Okay, let's double click it, and here is a function. So you can say self.text, actually text equals tada, something like that. We don't need to put a semicolon. So if I run this, I should see the output very So you guys can see it shows a console window, and then it shows the form. So if I click here, as you can see that the title has changed. Okay, so yeah, it's awesome. Let's create a pure Python project. So let's say test. Let's call test for the sake of this video. So you guys can see we have a just this, which is we are actually running Python inside of the common language runtime. So if I do for I in range 10 and do print I should see the output. So the thing here is that we could kind of use two different. Okay, I need to put a I equal input, right, to execute this program without exiting. Yeah, so there you go. So you guys can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the thing is that if you are familiar with Python, you guys should try this out. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoy, and see you guys next time.